What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. So excited about Vlogmas this year. Like I've said in every single one of my videos, but I really am excited. So for today's video, I am doing a holiday home tour. So I'm going to show you guys all of the little holiday pieces and decor that I have in my house this year for Christmas. And I am so excited about this year because I have a new theme. If you've seen my previous Vlogmas videos, I talked about how this year I wanted to do like a Winter Wonderland theme. So everything is white and silver for the most part, and it looks really good. I'm really excited about how the decorations came out this year. So now that I've rambled on for like so long, I am going to show you guys all of my decor, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, especially this month where I am posting every single day. Fingers crossed, I'm still on track, so we're doing good. Now that I'm actually done rambling, let's get into it. So this is kind of the view from the front door. I have the tree right in front of the door. I put some really pretty garland on the railing and a little bow at the bottom of the steps. And then for the tree itself, we got this tree last year at Walmart, I think, and all of the ornaments and those big bows and the really big balls are all from Hobby Lobby, and I got those all this year. The tree topper is from, I think, either Walmart or Target like 6 years ago, and the garland I already had from like a few years ago, so that's not new. And then this tree skirt is also from last year, and I'm pretty sure I got this at Walmart. So over in front of the stairs to go upstairs, I have this little tiny white table, and on it I have a picture of Derek's mom, and in front of that we have a little globe from our first Christmas after we got married, so it has the year 2012 on it. And then those little tiny silver trees are from the dollar store. So I decided to put our wreath on the inside of the door since the outside doesn't really match what we have going on in the inside. So this wreath, I got it at AC Moore about 5 or 6 years ago, so I don't even know if they have it anymore. Then over by the door I have my long skinny table, and on top of that I put my blessed little sign along with 2 other little silver trees I also got at the dollar store, and these like champagne colored poinsettias. I don't even remember where I got those from. Maybe Walmart a few years ago, but I do not remember. So I just have those in some little jars, and again those little silver trees are from the dollar store. And the bless sign, I got it at, I think it was Burlington this past fall, so a few months ago. So now we're moving on to the dining room table, and this really pretty like snowflake silver tablecloth, I got it at Hobby Lobby again this year. You would have seen that on my vlog, along with those really pretty white plates and the snowflake placemats, which I absolutely love. And also I got the flowers at Hobby Lobby, and those little ball things that are sticking out of the flowers that you will see in a minute, I got that at Hobby Lobby as well. So most of the decor on the table is from Hobby Lobby. I love, love, love the snowflake placemats, and those little candle holders are, I don't know where we got those from because those were a gift from our wedding. And then I just have 2 pillar candles that I didn't know where to put, so I put them beside the flowers. So over the summer, I bought this tiny little marble table with like a gold base. And over here I have a really pretty blue vase that I got at Burlington, and this really pretty picture frame of our little family from last Christmas, a little glittery pine cone, and a little candle. So lots of little things on that little table. So over on the mantle, I have our stockings, and I got these last year at Walmart. Derek's is like a really pretty navy with snowflakes on it, and mine is the same one but in white. And then Amara's stocking is from last year, and it says baby's first Christmas, and it has the 2017 date, so I thought that'd be nice to have. And then the stocking holders are these really pretty marble looking like thingies, I don't know what they're called, but I bought 3 of those at Hobby Lobby this year, and I have the reindeer holding Derek's, the Christmas tree holding mine, and the snowflake holding Amara's. So on top of the mantle, I have these really pretty white lanterns that I got at IKEA a few years ago. I think they still have the same ones, and just inside of those I put some silver ornaments in there. I have this really pretty garland that has lots of glitter, and there you get a good shot of the reindeer that's holding Derek's stocking. And then behind that I have this really big glittery snowflake, and I got those at Walmart last year. So again, my stocking is being held by the pretty little Christmas tree, and Amara has a cute little snowflake. And then I have little tiny tea lights, and that's it. So I love the silver and the white theme. I think it looks really pretty, and it actually matches really well with the mirror that we have over our fireplace, which is like a really pretty like pearl white and silver mirror. So around the fireplace I have a big candlestick holder. I have more of those lanterns, and in that one I have some glittery pine cones, and yeah, that's it. I have basically the same thing on both sides of the fireplace. So that is the fireplace and mantle decorations for this year. So moving on to the living room space now, I have on the couch this really pretty gray and white blanket that we got as a gift last year for Christmas. And on the couch we have 3 pillows, and 2 of them came in a set, and the other one was just a single pillow, and I got those at Burlington just this past weekend. The set of 2, which are the silver ones, were like $17, and then that white one in the middle that says live your best life was $10. So really good deal on pillows at Burlington. Definitely recommend, and these are really nice and big and fluffy, and I really like them. So over on this little side table, I have this tiny little jar, and I put little itty bitty ornaments in them, and I just thought that looked so cute. And then behind that I have this big like Christmas tree candle which has glitter on it, and I have another one of those candles next to the TV on the TV stand. I didn't show that for some reason, but I had 2 of those. And by the way, those coasters are from Target from this year. So then the chair, I just draped a white fluffy blanket over it because I didn't grab another pillow. There weren't a lot of white and silver pillows this year at Burlington. And then the last thing in the living room is this little like twig, like cone tree, I don't know what to call it, and that is, I don't remember where I got it from because I've had it for a few years. And then I also have those little mason jars that I got at AC Moore this past summer. So the only decorations I have in the kitchen is this little slab of wood, and on top of that I have my favorite marshmallow fireside candle for the winter months, and then behind that I have a vase, and I put some ornaments in there, and then another one of those little mason jars with some Hershey Kisses in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow with my next Vlogmas video.